Hello everybody! In this video, we will show you how to work with pivot charts in our component. With pivot charts, you can visualize your data in a new way. Now we're looking at a column chart containing lots of elements. To focus on a smaller amount of data, we can filter out values. For example, we want to see information for April and December. So we click on Month. Deselect all values and choose only April and December. And here is the result. In the upper left corner, we see that the current visualization is based on price measure. By using the drop-down list, we can switch to another active measure. Now, our chart is based on quantity. When we click twice on any chart segment, we see the drill-through pop-up window containing the raw data. And if we right-click on any chart segment, we will see the context menu. We can select more than one field for columns or rows. Let's open the field list and select status to rows. Now, at the left of each month, we see a plus icon. It means that months can be expanded to show underlying values. When multiple fields or a multi-level hierarchy are selected to columns, the plus icon appears on the legend. Our pivot charts can show several measures at once. To achieve that, we choose Charts on the toolbar and then Multiple Values. Here, we see that the minimum price is shown as turquoise color and the maximum quantity is shown as blue. In the drop-down list, we can select which measures should be shown. Now, let's see how to switch between different chart types. Use the Charts tab and select the desired chart type. Now, you can simply adjust the charts to your needs. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.